is and job purpose for job.
So friends, we have one more member, Hindustani. So Hindustani, what is your stand on this point? What do you think? Which language which language should be made official in India?
Sir, I think it's maybe Hindi or English. In those two languages.
Okay. No. According to me, English should be like optional. So it would be better for us.
First of all, Hindustani sir, please give your introduction.
Okay, yeah. Can you introduce yourself, brother?
Okay, my name is Aryan and I am from West Bengal. And I like to learn English.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Say about you. Like what is your age and degree, judge. You can.
So, as
can
we
you
are,
repeat again?
Okay, so as we are looking your profile. In your profile, you are doing action. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I do martial arts sometimes, so it's positive. Thank you.
So can you? Okay. Leave it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Jitu sir, one question from my side.
Yeah, of course, sir.
Actually, the topic is English should be an official language in India or not? But
yeah, definitely.
I'm saying English is already an official language in India. Am I right? Hindi and English.
No. Yeah. It is like for a documentary, for a document, it is not official language. Only Hindi is the official language in a document. Okay, I know that like English has become an Indian language currently, and across world it is spoken, widely spoken entire the world. Okay, but it is not official language of India, sir.
So, in my opinion, I think it should be an official language with Hindi. Because I have all work, you go to a bank, anywhere, IT, whatever, official work, you have to work in English.
Okay. So
it's a common. And it is spoken and you in bank you can see written in English mostly. If a person in own it says in his own state and he is for example he knows Hindi, but he goes to other state where he doesn't there is no Hindi, only English. You know what I'm saying? So if English is common, so he can understand English in that area, okay? If Telugu person comes in a Hindi state, he can understand English, but not in Telugu. So, you know?
Yeah.
So that's my idea. So I think it's a common international language. It is business language. It is a, connect each other all over the world.
Okay, so suppose that Hindi is become like official language in India, and government say that you have to speak English entire India, across India. So what will happen after imposing Hindi language in India?
Actually, listen to me. Actually, in 1960 or 64 something, already, the other states, non-Hindi states, opposed this kind of, proposal. They,
Okay. Yeah,
better
yeah.
about that. So I think
Yeah, I know.
if we accept Hindi as a official language or a national language, they are definitely going to make a big, so many problems could be created. So it is very sensitive.
No, according to me, nothing will be happen because if I take example of another country like China, so China country is spoken their language. They don't use Indian. Nowadays we know that they are developing, and this is the number one country in entire world.
Yeah.
So if we apply Hindi in India, so maybe it would be better for us.
Actually, in India there are many languages, and every region say its own language, its regional language is the strongest. Why don't you add my own language as a official language? Why are you adding Hindi? Because they are in a large number spoken. That's why this kind of thought may come, and it is controversial and very sensitive, I think. But in China, I don't think there are this kind of a dispute between state or people. That's why China is official or national language maybe there, and they developed in with their language.
Okay.
So
okay.
this is, I think, this is the main reason. Otherwise, I will be happy if in Hindi becomes, especially for me, I am Hindi language
Yeah.
candidate. So I would like to see my tongue should be a national language or official language. So definitely I go with that.
If every machine would be in Hindi, so we can learn easily because Hindi is our official language. And a person, mostly Bihari person, they don't know, they are not well in English, so they are afraid, they get scared. Oh yeah,
sir.
I don't want to read in English.
Actually, sir, if it's compulsory for everyone, it is their compulsion to understand, to read, to educate through English. It's not a difficult thing. But actually, what's the reason behind it? If we lose our language, if we add another language as a official and everyone speak English in English, so what would be of our culture? Culture, the language, it would eliminate forever. You get it? What I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm getting.
So there is a risk of losing this language.
Okay.
So this is the main problem. Why actually did out? Say.
Okay. So we both are keep speaking, but everyone silent. So
Please,
Gyan, Sir, Chirag, Hindustani, Nishan, why you all are keep mum?
because I don't know much about this topic, and this topic is not very interesting as I think.
Oh, so I think shall we change our topic? Yeah.
Yes, we can.
Okay, so let's discuss about your topic. What was your topic, sir, today?
My topic was why do Indian farmers are committing suicide, and what type of problems they are facing in these days.
So let you begin, sir, because it's your topic, and we will definitely give our best.
No, I will give my speech in the end. First of all, I would like to no, sorry. We will discuss this topic tomorrow, and all the members you make a research on this topic, and we will discuss this topic tomorrow, because this topic is
definitely.
because this topic is very big, and very big topic. So all members should do research on your mobile or on internet, and we will discuss this topic tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, exactly, Kanchan, you're
Yes.
right. I accept. Actually, this topic came very late. I think around 3:30 something.
Yes.
But the topic we have already talked. It was in the morning, so I prepared.
And
No.
job